Are you ready to conquer the digital frontier and take your real estate business to the next level?
Hi, it's Heather Holiday, and I want to invite you to join me on an epic adventure, the BoldTrail Expedition Bootcamp. Over these 4 action-packed weeks, we're going to help you navigate the BoldTrail system, the ins and the outs. We want you to master your CRM and website like never before.
Think of this as your roadmap to real estate success, where every turn leads to a streamlined workflows, more engaging content, and a whole new level of productivity. Here is the trail map for our expedition. And for those who complete the journey, there is a week 5 bonus session where winners are announced and you can ask me anything. This is your chance to ask the questions that matter and celebrate your achievements with some amazing prizes. This isn't just a learning experience, it's an adventure pack with hands-on sessions, accountability challenges, and opportunities to win big. Compete with fellow agents for prizes, all while gaining the skills to maximize your BoldTrail tools. Whether it's navigating your dashboard, fine-tuning your website, or creating campaigns that truly connect, this bootcamp is your vehicle for success.
So what are you waiting for? Space is limited. Register today. You have access to all of the replays for a full year. I'll see you there.
Let's conquer this journey together. One trail, one task, one success at a time. BoldTrail Expedition Bootcamp. Your adventure starts here.